prices are falling for a second consecutive day, pressured by the pessimism over the weak demand recovery. Meanwhile, the ruble is appreciating against the US dollar. Oil dropped for a second day on Friday amid a surprising rise in US crude stockpiles. In the early session, Brent oil futures for November were down by 0.37% to trade at $39.91 per barrel. In the meantime, WTI crude futures for October fell by 0.27% and settled at $37.02 a barrel. The ongoing coronavirus pandemic continues to weigh on the fuel demand. Hopes for a quick demand recovery faded after the U.S. Energy Information Administration reported an increase in crude inventories on Thursday. According to the official data, U.S. oil stockpiles rose by 2 million barrels, or 0.4%, in the week to September 4th and ended up at 500.4 million barrels. Analysts associate the rise in oil stocks with a slow recovery of the U.S. refineries after they were shut down due to the storms in the Gulf of Mexico. So the U.S. oil production continues to get back to normal following the impact of Hurricane Laura. In the meantime, U.S. refineries further reduced the output rates over the last week. On the Moscow exchange on Friday, the dollar-ruble pair average weighted rate went down by 63 kopecks and settled at 74.88 in the morning session. Yesterday, the dollar-ruble pair was trading at the level of 75.52, so the currency pair keeps developing a downward wave after a divergence. Another escalation of tensions between Washington and Beijing may deteriorate trader sentiment. Besides fears over the sluggish oil demand and increasing number of COVID-19 cases add more pessimism to the markets. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.